Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, you are so welcome to the channel. So to begin this hairstyle, right, I decided to work with clean and freshly washed hair. Okay, so I went in with my cream of nature shampoo and conditioner, and then follow that up with some leave-in conditioner, and then I went in to stretch my hair. So this is the heat protectant which I used. Now you guys know I love my Revlon two-step blow dryer, and this is what I use to stretch my hair. So by the time I work all these products into my hair, I have like a good base to work with, and my hair is protected. So the reason that I did this, honestly, you can skip this step if you want, but the reason that I did this is because I honestly just wanted ease in terms of parting. To be honest, when you're doing your natural hair by yourself, you want to make it as easy as possible and as enjoyable as possible. So I didn't want to be stressing, like struggling to see my parts because my hair was shrinking back, or one thing or the other. So I decided to stretch my hair because, trust me, it can be a lot trying to work on like your hair when it's shrunken. So I didn't go for like a silky straight look. I just wanted something that, as you can see, my hand could just like run through my hair, and that's what I was going for. I just wanted ease, right? So this is what we're looking like, and this is what we're working with, which is like my favorite part of this video. I love these extensions. However, wait till the end because I have something to tell you in terms of like the review after having it on for over 3 weeks. But it's by Made Beauty, and I got this off Amazon. So if you want to get this, it will be my Amazon storefront, which would be in a link down in the description box. So it's like jumbo twist. I want to say jumbo bohemian twist. I don't know what to call it because it has like the bohemian curls, but this is what it's currently looking like, and I absolutely love it. So I went for this color. They have different colors, and this is in a very I think this is an extra long, and each of the packs, I had 3 packs, each of the packs come with 24 strands of the twists. I also used some rubber bands to pat my hair, but then you're gonna see all of that in a minute. So yeah, like I said, each pack has 24, so 8 per bundle. So you have 3 bundles in each pack, which is 24. So now what I'm doing is basically just sectioning my hair, of course, into 2 main sections, and I focused on getting a perfect which is not so perfect, but I focused on perfecting the front section because this is where I know people were going to be looking at, and you can see how I got that middle part in the first go. It was so amazing to look at it, and you see what I mean when I'm working with stretched hair. It's easy for me to pat my hair in one go, okay, and that's what I really wanted because I wanted to maximize just maximize my time. I didn't want to waste time like trying to get the perfect parts with my shrunken hair. It was going to be easier for me when my hair was stretched, as you can see. So exactly as you can see in this video, I had 4 parts in one section of the front. I had 2 sections in the front, but each section had 4 different parts, and this is me calculating because I didn't want to have like more sections than this twist that I had. So I had calculated how many twists I had. So if one pack had 24, that means 3 packs had what? Right from the top of my head, I don't know that right now. I can't think because I'm doing a voiceover, but I'll put it on the screen. So I needed to make sure that I had parted my hair at the exact. I didn't want to have more parts than the twist that I had available, if that makes sense. So I was calculating, and I needed to know how to like section my hair. I used the rubber bands to kind of section everything and help make my life easy. So this is me now, and I opted for twists. I don't know if you guys have caught the hint right now, but this hair is crochet, right? You didn't think I was actually gonna do this by myself like from start to finish. So this is crochet, and we're just gonna install it. So I decided to do like single individual crochet, and as you know, you have to put your hair like single twist, but me, I don't even know why I went to do single braids, because this legit took the whole day to put my hair in like this mini braids. But I would advise that you go for twist, because that's much easier for you. The reason I went for braids is because I didn't want my hair to shrink. You can see the difference here. The braids is not shrinking as much as the twist is shrinking, because I know my hair shrinks like crazy. So this is when I was done with the front section, okay? And to be honest, you don't have to do braids, just go for twist because it'll be easier. And at the end of the day, your hair is going to be concealed inside the twists, like the twists crochet. Okay, so this is how I was able to see the back and pat the back. I used a mirror and my selfie camera. Now at the end of the day, this was at night, this is what the back was looking like. I did my best. Okay, the pats look okay, so I did my best, so I just put that away. And then I worked overnight and in the morning before coming on camera to do the back, as you can see. But anyways, this is what the back is looking like. So I did the back off camera and I absolutely love how it came out. And I'm gonna show you guys how we're able to achieve this, but this is what the back is looking like. So because this is crochet, right, you're gonna need a crochet pin, or I think they call it a crochet needle. So you're gonna just attach the head of, or the start of that braid or the twist, and then pull that through underneath that single braid that you've done. So once you pull that through, now you're gonna grab the end of that twist and then pass it through that loop at the top. Okay, so once you pass it through, just bring it all the way out till the end. And if you take it all the way to the end, you're also going to be getting all of these the goddess curls out. So just pull that out, nothing too hard about that, and then just stretch it. I say stretch but like just pull it all the way to the base of your hair and make sure that it is secured. And once you have that, you're gonna have two braids. Now this is where it gets tricky, and I feel like it's gonna be more beneficial when you watch this over and over and over again to get the drift of it, because yeah, I also struggled with it at some point. But the key thing here is basically think of it as you are twisting your hair into the twist, because what you want to do is kind of conceal your hair inside this twist so that it's not so visible, and you're gonna basically just be twisting into the twist. And at the end of the day, once you get to like a good length that you're comfortable with, I want you to push that back up, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, but that's the way you're going to be able to conceal it, as you could just see right now. Okay, you can barely even notice that my hair is underneath that. I don't know if you guys saw what I did there, but that's so cool. But yeah, so twist it into the twist. Okay, and as you're doing that, you're progressing downwards. Okay, so put your hand underneath, like it's basically just opening the twist, okay, and then putting your own hair through it. And then when you do that, you just kind of pull it up so that it puffs up and then it conceals your hair. But I do have to give you guys like a heads up, this is how it looks when you just freshly do your hair. Now in the coming weeks, also know that you need some form of maintenance. And actually I'm thinking about doing a video right now, so I'm doing this maybe like a follow-up video or something to show you guys how I was able to maintain this hair, because I still have it on. But yeah, as you guys know, this is a crochet pin. You open it up, while it's open, pass it through underneath, and then the head of the, now I want to say like the start of the twist, not the head, but you get what I mean, attach that to the needle, close it by locking that in, and then pass it through. Now once you pass it through, you want to now take the end of that twist and pass it through that loop. So that's how you do like a single crochet. Okay, so once you pass it through, take it all the way to the base of your hair. Now when you take it to the base of the hair, you want to kind of have it in a knot, so you're basically making a knot at the base of your hair. Once you do that, you're going to have two strands of hair, so the crochet which you just attached and your natural hair. Now this is how you actually twist. So open that twist up and then pass your hair through it. Okay, and then just follow my hand movement. Okay, you take the next, open up the next twist, pass it underneath, pick it up, take it out, go down, pick it up again, and just like that, as you're progressing downwards towards the braid, your braid is getting into or your hair, your natural hair is getting into this crochet twist. I hope it makes sense, guys. But there's a lot of playbacks of this which you're gonna see in this video of me doing the rest of my hair, which I believe you should watch if you want to get like a hang of this. But yeah, that is a trick to how I was able to achieve this look. Okay. Also, one key thing that I would say is don't forget to pull it up just so that it conceals your hair. Okay, as you guys could see, it's easy, but you might not, let me not say you will not, you might not get it on your first try, because I didn't. I had to practice and practice before coming to give you guys what finally worked for me. But if you're considering this hair, definitely do a lot of practice, and yeah, you should be fine. Okay, so yeah, I really enjoyed my time with this hair. But then again, another heads up, okay, this is definitely bohemian, what do we call it now, this is bohemian curls, right? Did the curls tangle? Yes, they did. And this, honestly, I expected it, because it's normal with this kind of hair, and judging from the fact that this is not human hair, definitely it's gonna tangle. But to what extent? It wasn't as bad. So yeah, I still enjoyed my hair. I'm still enjoying my hair. I still have it on my head 3 weeks after. So yeah, that's my honest review. I love the twists, I love how jumbo they are, I love the color, I love that it's ombre, I love the twists, I love the curls. However, the curls tangled up. So that's just me giving you guys an honest opinion. So it's up to you now. If you guys would still want to try this out, definitely let me know down in the comment section. But it's definitely in my Amazon storefront if you want to get this. Okay, so you can get it from Amazon. So yeah, I'll leave you guys now to watch all of this so that you guys get a grip of how to go about this if you choose to do this hair. But will I recommend? Absolutely, because the hair is stunning. Trust me, it is stunning, and I absolutely enjoyed my time. I'm still enjoying my time, but yeah, so let me know your thoughts. Like this video if you enjoyed it as well. Subscribe if you are new to the channel, and I'll catch you guys towards the end of the video. Okay. Okay, so now at this point, this was the final twist and I was done. You guys do not understand the relief. This hair took 2 days because I had to prep and I needed sunlight, so I had to split it in 2 days. But at the end of the day, this is what it's looking like. Again, you can see no matter how hard you try, you can still see like some of my natural hair in between the twists. Okay, but we did a good job concealing it, and like I said, I did not use the whole 3 packs, so I still had, this was what was left from the third one. So I used 2 packs and this was what was left from the third one. So again, this is the final look. It's stunning. I think it's so beautiful, it's amazing, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, it's something different. You know, I really wanted to do my hair, but the prices of braids in this London, I'm sorry, not anytime soon. I just really wanted to do my hair and get like actual braids or twists, and this was what came through for me. So I absolutely love it. Again, let me know your thoughts, by the way. I would really want to know what you guys think. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment down below your thoughts, and yeah, subscribe if you are new, because yeah, we do hair here, we do beauty, we do lifestyle. So you're welcome to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So make sure you stay tuned.